Donald Trump is the latest Republican to use CBDCs as a dog whistle. The presidential candidate declared fevered opposition to a digital dollar on Wednesday night, even though there are no official plans for one in the US. Why? By Ben Schiller, Jan 18, 2024 at 6:43 p.m. Updated Jan 18, 2024 at 6:48 p.m. By Ben Schiller, Jan 18, 2024 at 6:43 p.m. Updated Jan 18, 2024 at 6:48 p.m. By Ben Schiller, Jan 18, 2024 at 6:43 p.m. Updated Jan 18, 2024 at 6:48 p.m. With Donald Trump trumping to victory in Iowa's caucus on Monday and taking the stump in New Hampshire, the next primary battleground, 45 made a strong statement about digital currency. He's against it. At least the government-issued kind, in the form of a central bank digital currency, CBDC. Tonight, I'm also making another promise to protect Americans from government tyranny. As your president, I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency, he said Wednesday night. A digital currency would give our federal government absolute control over your money. They could take your money and you wouldn't even know that it was gone. This would be a dangerous threat to freedom and I would stop it, Trump added. Trump joins many other leading Republicans in coming out against a CBDC. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, who came second to Trump in Iowa, was the first major candidate to speak out in opposition. Vivek Ramaswamy, a Bitcoin advocate, has said hell no to one. Tom Emmer, the House. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.